Welcome to the research world. In this video lecture, I will discuss how to select a theory for your PhD thesis. Let's start by taking a practical example to better understand this topic. The first thing you need to do is choosing your research topic. For example, the impact of social media usage on teenagers' mental health. After selecting research topic, next step is 1. Identify the research problem. You want to explore how social media influences teenagers' self-esteem and anxiety levels. The primary themes include social interactions, comparison, and emotional well-being. After identifying the research problem, next step is 2. Review relevant theories. For example, a social comparison theory. This theory posits that individuals determine their own social and personal worth based on how they compare to others. It's relevant because social media platforms often amplify opportunities for comparison. Uses and gratifications theory. This focuses on how individuals use media to fulfill specific needs. It could be applicable if your study examines why teenagers engage with social media and how it impacts their mental health. Cognitive behavioral theory, CBT, explores how thought patterns influence behaviors and emotions. This is relevant if your focus is on how social media triggers cognitive distortions in teenagers. After reviewing these theories, the next step is to 3. Evaluate and align theories. If your primary objective is to study the effects of comparing oneself to others on social media, social comparison theory is the best fit. If you are more interested in the reasons teenagers use social media and how those reasons relate to mental health outcomes, then uses and gratifications theory would be appropriate. If your focus is on addressing interventions or understanding how thought patterns mediate the effects of social media, cognitive behavioral theory is a better choice. Decision. You decide to use social comparison theory because your main research question is, how does exposure to idealized images on social media platforms influence teenagers' self-esteem? This theory provides a clear framework for examining the relationship between social media content and self-perceptions, aligning well with your study's focus. Implementation. Develop hypotheses such as, teenagers who spend more time on social media are more likely to experience lower self-esteem due to upward social comparisons. Design your study using this theoretical lens, such as creating surveys or experiments to measure self-esteem levels before and after social media exposure.